Welcome. In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 43mm edition, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen. After you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Now scroll through this panel and look for the brightness icon. This is the one that looks like the sun. And once you find the screen brightness icon, tap on it. It will bring you to this menu, and by default the adaptive brightness will be enabled. Basically the watch will adjust the brightness automatically according to the surrounding light. But if you want to set it manually, you will need to tap on the switch to disable it, and then you can adjust the brightness by tapping on the plus and minus button. And once you're done, you can press the Chrome button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.